In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life with Notion and your calendar. Let's dive into this process to streamline your tasks and keep you on top of your schedule. To get started, open up the Notion website on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the calendar section of Notion. Simply locate and click on the calendar option. This is where the power of organization begins. Upon clicking Calendar, you'll be prompted with instructions to get your Notion calendar set up. Trust the prompts that appear on your screen. They are designed to guide you through connecting your calendar seamlessly. Follow these instructions carefully, as they are crucial in ensuring that your calendar is synchronized with Notion. Once you've set up your calendar, you'll find multiple options at the top of your screen. Here, you have the freedom to customize the way you view your schedule. You can select to view your calendar by day, week, or month. There's even an option to choose the number of days you'd like to look at in one glance. This flexibility allows you to tailor your calendar view according to what suits your needs best at any given time. Customizing your view settings can be incredibly empowering. For instance, if you're someone who likes to plan out the nitty-gritty details of each day, the day view is perfect for that. However, if you prefer to have a broader outlook on your tasks and deadlines, the month view gives you a wider perspective, helping you plan longer-term projects effectively. Now, here's where you can really start taking control. In your Notion calendar, feel free to add your tasks. This feature is intuitive and easy to use. Simply click on the date you're planning to tackle a project or complete a task, enter the necessary details, and voila! Your activity is now mapped out on your calendar. This ability to view tasks and appointments in one place will transform how you manage your time. A calendar view spread over weeks or months provides a comprehensive overview of your commitments and plans. This enables you to anticipate busy periods and allocate your resources with precision, avoiding overwhelm and last-minute hassles. As you begin incorporating these steps, remember that the beauty of Notion lies in its adaptability. Feel free to tweak your settings or reorganize your tasks as your priorities change. The more you engage with this tool, the more you'll discover how to make it serve you best. So go ahead, explore, and enjoy the newfound clarity and efficiency that comes with organizing your life with Notion and your calendar. Happy planning!